Hey y'all, welcome to Valley Soap's YouTube channel. Today we are restocking. Yes. Hey y'all, welcome to Valley Soap's YouTube channel. On this rainy day today, we are going to be remaking one of our charcoal soaps. They're a really big hit, so we're restocking this one. This one is a tea tree and charcoal soap, and it will be part of our premium line. So in this I have essential oil with some castor oil with the activated charcoal all mixed up. So this is a fairly simple soap, so all I'm going to do is mix our oils with our lye water and then add that mixture in, and then we will dump it in our mold and texture the top all pretty. So since I have a little bit of a fussy baby today, I'm just gonna speed you guys through this, and I'm not really gonna talk for the rest of the video, but you'll be able to see the gist of what we're doing today. So without further ado, I'm going to put my apron on and cover all of his little feet and hands sticking out of the carrier here, and then we're just going to get started.